Hey guys, it's Melanie. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this velvet infinity scarf. Super beginner friendly. I go through all the steps, show you how to do everything. It only takes 2 balls of yarn, although I have all the modifications on my blog post with different options for sizes. This is the infinity scarf doubled up. You of course can wear it with 1 layer as well. So soft and luscious. You guys are gonna love it. Really fast project too. If you like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up. Let me know if you have any future video requests in the comments down below. And the blog post will be the first link underneath this video so you can see the written instructions, all the materials that I use, and all the details. This is with velvet yarn. Very beginner friendly project. This is the yarn that I use. This is from Hobby Lobby, but a lot of the brands have them now. So I used 2 balls to make this size, and I'll go over that size in a minute. So this recommends using a 9mm, which is like an M. So that's what I used. This is an M crochet hook. I don't know if you can see that there, but that's what it says. And if you are going to use a different brand, take a look at this. So there's 80 yards on here. So as long as the ball has about this, they're all about the same size of yarn, to be honest. So as long as the hook size is about the same, the weight of the yarn is close. If it's about 80 yards in another ball from a different brand, you'll be good to go to buy 2. It doesn't hurt to buy 3 just in case. So for the sizing of this infinity scarf, I made mine 48 inches. Okay, so that basically was around my neck and down to my belly button. And then I'll insert a picture right here so that you can see what it looks like when you double it. And then you can see what it looks like when you have it just single layer. Okay, so I know that this light kind of looks a little strange, but you can see the stitch a little bit better this way. So the first pass right here is a double crochet. So you can see that stitch, that's a double crochet. And then I did a single crochet, which is this here. And then a double crochet, single crochet, double crochet, and so on. And of course you can modify it. If you don't want it this wide, you don't have to make it that wide. So we have 1, then a single, 2, double, 3, single, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I ended with a double crochet to make it even with the first pass. We're at about 9 inches. All right, so for my example, I'm going to be using the same brand, but it's a green yarn. I'm going to start with a slipknot. Okay, foundation chain, yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over. You don't want it to be too tight. Let the hook do the work for you. And you don't want it to be too loose either. So my best advice is to let the hook do the work for you. So if you're going to follow my pattern, you're going to do this until it's about 48 inches, or it measures around your neck and down to your belly button. I am a tall person, so mine might be slightly longer than yours. So make your foundation chain as long as you like. I'm going to show you how to link and connect your foundation chain for an infinity scarf so that it does not get twisted. So the first thing you need to do is identify the front of your foundation chain, which looks like this, versus this. So on the back side, there is a strand coming out of the middle, and the front side looks like a braid. So make sure that the front side is facing up, and I just run this down, making sure that it's staying straight. Once you get to the end and you know that you kept it straight going all the way there, all you have to do is place your hook in the front of that foundation chain. And I like to go underneath the 2 strands, and then we will slip stitch it, which means we'll yarn over, pull through, pull through. Okay, so we should have the front of the foundation chain going to the right, and that's the side that looks like a braid, versus the back that has this center portion. Okay? And then it's also the front going this way. Now what we're gonna do, chain 2, 1, 2, chain. So this is coming out here. Our first chain, we're gonna double crochet, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, 2 loops, yarn over, 2 loops. That is a double crochet. So one more time, yarn over, insert it into your foundation chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, 2 loops, yarn over, 2 loops. And you're going to do 1 double crochet in each foundation chain going all the way around. And I will meet you back here to show you how to connect it, remind you how to do the single crochet, and then I'll leave you to it. All right, so we reached all the way back around. I double checked and mine is not twisted. So this is how it should look when you get back around. We've got one last foundation chain here. Now to connect it, we're going to do a slip stitch to the top of this chain 2. All right, then we're going to chain 1. So on the round where you begin the double crochet, you need to chain 2, but on the single crochet round, you just chain 1, because that single crochet is a shorter stitch and we just need 1. All right, so single crochet, we're going to insert our hook in the top of that double crochet stitch. There's 2 strands there. So you can see it's kind of like this V shape as you go around at that top of that stitch, 2 strands. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through both loops. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, both loops. You're going to do that all the way around and join it the exact same way. Slip stitch it to the top to that chain 1, and then you'll chain 2 and continue around with your double crochet. All right, so I have finished my green sample. Of course, we had the purple, the same one I'm wearing in the intro, and I did a green one. I did the green one a little bit differently. I made it a little thinner and a little longer. So I'll show you, I'll put in a picture right here of me wearing it so you could kind of see the difference in case you want it to be a little looser feeling. Still use just 2 of the balls. But I want to show you how you weave in the ends. So I threaded a yarn needle with the velvet. I'm going to weave this in, and I like to kind of go back and forth. Make sure you have enough of a long enough tail so that you can really get it woven in nice and securely. So this is from where I joined the yarn, and then don't forget you're going to have at the beginning of your scarf and then as well as at the end. So once you weave everything in, go back and forth, make sure it's very secure, then you are good to go. And this label does say that you can wash it. I recommend with any crochet projects to check your label and see if it's washable at all. Most of the time it is, but still I would recommend washing it on delicate, like in a mesh bag, or hand washing it and then lying it flat to dry. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section down below what you think. Happy stitching. Okay guys, what did you think? That was pretty easy, right? Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section down below. If you like this video, don't forget thumbs up and subscribe if you are not already. Thanks so much for watching this video. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.